conditioner installation. To install an air conditioner, we need this tool.
Wrench. Aqui ponto. Manometer. Screwdriver. Multimeter. Gas cylinder. Refrigerant cylinder. Line welding. Drill. Hammer. Measure tape.
We measure the distance. We drill the hole. For piping electricity, we place the base. We connect the piping to the condenser outside. We place the split air conditioner inside.
We check the reading. The manometer.
We add the refrigerant.
We add the refrigerant. Ignition on.